Ka Office Jong Superintendent Jong Ka Fisheries Report District Ka Pynlong ya ka fingerling stocking and community awareness program. Henne KHASI Kyrshan Maulendep kumshibenta Jong ka Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana 8,008 Phulai 8 Phusau. U Abhilash Baranwal ubade u Deputy Commissioner Jong ka Ribhoi ulai shimenta ha ka te ka program kum kongsan haringkat badi ikong IT Maulong. Ibade i Director ba i Joint Secretary Jong ka Tnad Fisheries. Hado sau lak teli kisembai Dohkha la pelat ha kapung umyam. Haba ajeng kren ubaran wal ula banjur halor ketika jeng sedang. Da ka penpau bekim temu tang ya kejeng penmi ka he a ka sistem ka ba henriu lak tingka na ka bentaki sis pa san pau teli ki longgieng nong tong Dohkha ki basanya ha ketika pung Dohkha henrei ki sim kiaru ban penroi ka mariang ka bala banne.
Some of rupees 6 lakh per annum for the fishermen, 150 fishermen families which are dependent on this reservoir. But simultaneously, as I was going through a discussion, an entire ecosystem is going to be developed in this area for the benefit of these four villages which are directly dependent and the 11 villages which are in the vicinity, which will take care of the entire end-to-end solution for the fisheries.